I'm on. Oh, I was waiting for the heat to start. Right?
Yep.
So can you break down to me what you think is happening or what's going to happen?
I think it's melting, and then the fan is right
Based
there.
upon that?
Yeah.
Okay. So what does that one mean?
That's the ink thing, like the pen-ish thing.
Yes, and what's that?
And
That's the
heat,
it's called the
right?
nozzle, right? Well, close. What is that though?
The fan?
Huh?
Fahrenheit?
No. What does that little symbol mean?
Flame.
Nope.
Iron.
It's a plate, a hot plate.
So that's getting hot.
Yes, yeah. So that's the temperature of the plate here, and that's the temperature of the nozzle. And we're waiting for it to get around about 200. I forget which this one's got to be. So here it says this one. That's why I chose it. It's gonna take about 1 minute and 20 seconds. That other one is so like 180 minutes. You know what that is? So divide that by 60. How many minutes is it? Let me hit you with this calculator. I was about to pop you in your fro. Here, put that in there. Is it on? You know how to use that, right?
No.
I'll hold that. Okay, all right, you hold this, and I'll show you how to use it. You gonna have any of my classes next? Year? You don't know?
I don't know. They never told me schedule.
You ever had physics?
No.
Ooh, then you might see me. All right, anyway. You might want to get your math weight up.
I don't think I did have math. Well, Miss listening.
Yeah, this is a different type of math, though, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, it's called applied mathematics. All right, we see the ink coming out.
What's going on with that?
It was preparing. It was trying to see if there was ink in there. You see how it started with a little bit of ink going out?
Yeah.
All right, so it's like if we said 180 minutes, remember, that's divided by 60. That's about 3 hours. I thought you would have known that, right?
So it's
that's
3
why I looked at you
hours right
crazy.
now.
Because that's like saying, what? 18 divided by 6? It's 3. Put a 0 on there. It's quick math you can do in your head.
Something you can do it. You have experience.
I'm a physics guy, so yeah. But you see, it's making the first layer, right? Take a look at that, because I know you want to see how this works.
Oh, that's raw.
Yeah. So something's wrong with this image, or the nozzle, because see, it's mushing it up. I'm hoping it's gonna work.
You can pause it,
You can hit pause, but
and then you can just fix it up.
I don't want it to lose its place. Well, it's gonna get better. Look, it's continuing. Yeah, come over here and see. Yeah, look all around. What you don't want is this over here. Take a look at that when you can. A little different, right? So when I turn this on and stuff, I gotta reset it. So, because he didn't basically, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 springs. You turn them so the plate, the same plate you saw that got hot, it comes up and down. And this is the big nozzle. And here's the ink for this joker. Right? Yeah.
So they got different.
You're right, right?
Yeah.
So this is when you guys, like, if we got in the robotics, we can print the little battery casing, or if we want to do something with the drone, we can print,
Like little wings?
yeah, propellers.
Oh, propellers.
Look at you. Or, see if y'all keep breaking my mouse, I can have one of y'all print a new casing for that, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Tyler's like, I can't keep replacing stuff. So y'all can be, fixing and making the things y'all break around here.
Okay, bet.
I'm trying to show you how this turns on so you can see it, because I gotta try to readjust the joker. Where is that switch at? It's over here, I can't see it. There it is. The switch is way back here, in case you wonder. See it? Little button?
Yeah, I see.
Right, and you look at the screen, it's your command center, it should come to life. Let's just not play it. So, it's time for y'all to work. Go work, man. I'll let you know how your thing is going. Should take about 2 minutes, I hope. All right. Or 4 minutes, it says. Yeah, come back in like a couple minutes.